So that's number one trend, okay? Reaching out of the students of the HR world, HR professionals. And then another trend is employee engagement. Okay?
Okay.
They might be, you do the onboarding. What comes next? Okay? After 6 months, after 1 year, what comes next? It's now the trend right now after onboarding. You look at the person. The HR role right now is to do the IPD, Individual Development Plan for employees. Because if you don't have this, you will have an issue if a certain employee got an instinct, I will resign. Tomorrow I will resign. Okay. So it's the trend right now that you do the IPD because you will see where these people goes on. Okay. So what are the learning and development? What are the skills? What are the areas of improvement? What are what is you do the mentoring and coaching. So these are the trend right now.